Hi viewers, welcome to Sarvajana Shiksha. I am Aarti Selvanathan. Today we are going to talk about supportive discipline and corrective discipline. These two disciplines are two sides of a coin. Supportive discipline will increase confidence level in children and it will change their outlook. Example, when a child does some change in him, we should recognize it and we should appreciate it by teachers or parents or anybody. By doing this, the child's confidence level will be more and his future performance will be very good. Now another example. This example is to correct a habit in a child. Suppose a child is having one quality which is not necessary. By supporting that habit, we will correct the child and bring him back to the right track. How? For example, when a child bites the teeth, biting the teeth is not a good habit. From this what we know is the child is in nervous state. When a teacher finds a child biting the teeth in a classroom, should behave in such a way that it is not noticed and the teacher should give him a task which will divert him from that state of level. Just immediately the teacher should say that, well, why can't you help me in reading this page? By saying that, the child will immediately get a jerk and he will come back to his present mental state and then he will start reading. He will forget what he was doing. So gradually he will come out of the habit of biting his teeth. This supportive discipline is interlinked with psychology. Every teacher must understand the children, their background, their way of living, then only they can participate habits. Similarly, any habit has to be changed with using psychological. This is how we should implement different methods to correct a child and gain their confidence. That is how we need to do with children. Schools are the best place. Again and again I am telling you, the corrections, any corrections should be implemented in the school. And one more thing, we should build up confidence with them. Otherwise, it can be parents or it can be teachers. Otherwise, it is very difficult. That's what I strongly recommend every teacher to build up confidence of every student with them, and so that the rapport between the teacher and student is smooth and happy way. Thank you. Namaskar.